Hello, we'll fund the Korean group account on Q option. We'll log in and select deposit, choose Visa, specify amount and currency. Enter promo code if available, then apply it. Accept terms and click process. In the section related to the deposit method, we select the Visa option and the path. Here, you specify the amount you want to use to fund the account, and whether you want to fund it in dollars, pounds, or euros. If you have a promo code and want to apply it while funding, you can enter or select the code here. After that, choose the apply option, just like that. Leave this box empty, accept the broker's terms, and click on the process option. Fill in this section with the card number. Enter the cardholder's name and the card's expiration date. In the CVV section, enter the code from the back of the card. If you want to save your card info for future deposits, select this option. Otherwise, skip it and click process. If you want to save your card information for future deposits, select this option. In this case, you can choose not to select the option and then click on the process option. After entering the information, we select the process option. In this section, enter the code that is sent to you via SMS from the bank, and then click on the Wi-Fi option. We entered the information, now we select the process option. In this section, enter the code that is sent to you via SMS from the bank, and then click on the Wi-Fi option. The deposit has been completed. By clicking on the Confirm option, you will enter the platform where you can start your trades. Also, by selecting the Real account, you can see the amount in your account in Reals. And by selecting the Balance option, yes, you can check the status of your deposits and withdrawals, including the dates. And what does the Balance option do? Yes. You can check the status of your account deposits and withdrawals on what date, what amount was deposited, and by what method. In future videos, we will discuss other deposit and withdrawal methods together. Good luck.